Do you travel a lot? My family and I, we travel a lot, and one way to keep my family safe and to keep my car safe is actually with a dash cam. This right here is a 4-in-1 dash cam. So we have a dash cam in the back, we have 2 side dash cams, and we have a rear dash cam. So that's a 4-channel altogether. So not only having 4 cameras, it also has a GPS built in it as well. So you get to see how fast you're going. Say you got pulled over by a cop and he wants to give you a ticket for 65 and a 55. You can actually go pull the footage up and see actually how fast you were going with this and bring that to court for your benefit and to help you out. It also has parking mode. That means when your car is parked, if somebody backed into your car or hit your car, it's going to actually start recording and give you insight and hopefully capture the car that hit you. That way you can show that to the authorities. I'm going to be doing the capture of the cameras and see what kind of quality it is during the day versus during the night, going over the app on your phone, and all the settings that this camera has. So find out where you're gonna place your dash cam and go ahead and take this piece right here and get it to your window. Now that I have that piece on the window, I'm gonna go ahead and place the camera. Okay, now that I have the camera placed, I'm gonna go ahead and pull all the stickies off. So I got where I want it, I went ahead and plugged it up. Okay, so I went ahead and I got it connected to the app. I will be taking the SD card out and we'll be going through some tests with the SD card. There is the rear. I need to still install the rear. Here's the inside. This is the driver's side right now. And here is the passenger side if somebody was in the passenger. If we click on recorder settings, we can come in here. We can change the Wi-Fi name. We can do the DVR password, record duration, format, and check version for update. On the bottom, we have MV, okay, up, and then the power button. Now, once in the menu system, we can go ahead and hit dash cam. We're back to the dash cam. If we hit menu again, we can hit playback. We can go front, rear, left, or right. The only thing that you're not gonna see right now is I don't have the rear camera hooked up. So it's only these two right here, and then the front facing camera in the back. We got voice control, turn off screen, turn on screen. Let's go ahead and go to dashboard. So now here's the dashboard. So whenever you're driving, this will actually show you your miles per hour as you're driving, which is really cool because this does have GPS built into it. Okay, this is another pretty cool feature, this DMS, which we're gonna go into next. So we click on DMS. Now this will detect whether you're absent, you're smoking, if your eyes are closing, yawning, whatever you're doing, you can turn this on and basically it's going to alert you. That way you're alerted in case you're falling asleep on a long road trip or something. Accidents do happen and this right here can help prevent that. And then we go over to settings. So now we have a slew of settings right here. So we got our Wi-Fi, we got our IR, which is your infrared, loop recording. So you got your G sensor in here. You can set it to low, medium, or high. Okay, next up we have parking mode. So you can use a radar kit mode or a hardwire kit. If it detects anything or your car gets hit, it'll automatically start recording. You got your language, of course you can choose languages. You got a screensaver, right now it's off, I don't need it. You got your clock settings. You got format SD card, and then of course you got your reset. If I hit the button one more time, we got a couple more settings right here. You just hit the M button right here on the bottom. So you got your GPS, miles per hour unit, we can do kilometers or miles per hour. Time zone, you choose your time zone. And of course, daylight savings, and I have mine on because I am in daylight savings mode. Okay, so right here on the bottom, we have a V. V is for video. So whenever you click the video button, it'll go through each of your videos that you have on. So 1, 2, 3, and then of course, when the rear camera is on, 4. At the top, we have our power, we have our channel 1, and of course, your SD card goes right here. Okay, so here's some daytime driving right here. I'm gonna do a little bit of the front, and then I'll do inside the cab, and also the rear, and then I'll do a couple of nighttime footages. Very, very clean. I mean, you can see everything on this. I mean, even the inside. If you're an Uber driver, DoorDash, everything is very, very clean. I mean, it's very crystal clear on this camera. I'm just really shocked how crystal clear this is. Here's the rear camera right here. Very, very crystal clear. I mean, you can see everything. If something ever happened, going into nighttime. Yes, it is nighttime, but we still have a clear image right here at nighttime. This is me going into a gas station. And I mean, the color vision is really nice. It's vibrant. I'm shocked that this is actually a dash cam. Now the IR, the infrared. So again, if you're an Uber driver or anything, you'll still be able to get things in the car as well, being inside the car, even with the infrared. So all in all, I really do like this dash cam. I like a lot of things about it. There's only one thing that I really wish that they would do is add more controls with your phone. That way you don't always have to go back to the screen, because you do have to go to the screen to set a lot of things up. So if there's anything that you really want to mess with, make sure this is in a nice spot. That way you can just pop it off, because this right here is going to stick to your window, and then this right here pops off. But yeah, the images are really, really clean and crisp, and for your safety, it's perfect. So hopefully that gave you a little bit of insight and helps you with your buying decision.